Hi and welcome back to my final morning report chart appraisal on Tuesday the 28th of April with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Tantec Markets. And my final chart is gold. And this gold analysis has been sideways for about 5-6 weeks. And again, yesterday, this big strong bullish candle has reaffirmed that range. Nothing really a great deal else has changed on this chart other than the fact that yes, you've got this strong bullish candle, but it's come after a strong bearish candle, so it's sort of negated really that downside move to basically neutralize the outlook once again. And across the board on the momentum indicators, you would say that is the case. RSI 52 and flat, MACD lines basically entirely flat, and stochastics turn up slightly but nothing too sort of interestingly. And this the support on the lows, I mean yes, you had that 78 figure low that was just slightly breached to the downside, 74.75, but that was on an intraday basis, and you sort of, I'd say you're still trading sideways, aren't you, on this chart. And the fact is, interestingly as well, if I zoom out here on the hourly chart, you can see here that the spike higher basically happened pretty much in 1 hour. Nothing sort of just didn't really move too much higher. I mean, it didn't break out above the 1210 spot 70 resistance, and the fact is that we've now consolidated since then, so it's not really any too significant move in terms of the bullish nature. You would argue you're still having in this chart, you've still got this 1190 spot 90 as a pivot level now, so that would be your initial support, I would see. And even then, you could argue there's a closer support around that 1196 area as well, with a slight pivot level, you could argue, around that 1196. So maybe a couple of supports there, but to be honest, it's not really excessively positive or negative either way. It's just basically range bound. I think we're still looking for a signal for a breakout on this gold chart, because it's becoming, as I said, increasingly range bound and moving sideways. All the moving averages on the daily chart are sideways as well. So again, as with dollar yen, we are basically sideways and looking for a sort of breakout trigger. Maybe it's going to come on FMC, possibly. But we'll wait and see how that one pans out. But it's in the meantime, it's sort of settled today. Again, basically flat, and nothing really much doing. So I wish you good luck in your trading on gold, and I will speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.